Danny Credit, truck number 38, winner of 4 out of 5 Super Pro truck races this year. Bringing the field around, good job by the layout. Bring the field around, green line 5. Bill Smith. Frank Dumachin Sr., boy, a nightmare in 2007. Policeman Sands Mason flies number 5 continues. He didn't even get to the first turn. Oh, Danny Credit goes around. Truck number 38, Danny Credit goes around, and I don't think that truck's going to move. So, I don't know if they got the first lap in or not. Will be instructed to single out, but it's been a nightmarish day for Danny Credit and the crew. Valve issue in the first practice saw them do almost a complete rebuild of the motor, at least in the valve train area, in the pit area. And the Womack Racing Gulfway Marine number 38 went around off turn 4.
Main Street dump.
I don't think once again, the Golden Auto Body Night Super Pro Truck feature event. And it will be Gil Smith to bring the number 6 to the early race. Albacini towards the inside, and the King of Queens, Mike Albacini, will be the subject of tonight's pit bull with Peter Milano in the pit area. 41 turn 4. Dangerous Dave Koenig now runs second here on lap 2. So it will be Mike Albacini, the King of Queens, leading the way over Dangerous Dave Koenig. Third, to Main Street 4. Fifth was Frank Dumachin Jr. Main Street out the outside of Smith. Mike Albacini Halleck into the number 3 of Peter Rodney, with the caution out to the number 42 of Frank Dubinich Jr. Stalled up in the wall in turn number 1, but big hit out on the racetrack. Kathleen Halleck making contact with Peter Rodney. Peter Rodney removing the steering wheel, Jeff. Not a happy driver in the Albee Motors number 3. And Kathleen Halleck in the Otis Ford Auto Body number 94 with damage as well. But what a run here tonight for the King of Queens, Mike Alvasini. New York Metro Peterbilt number 66 and hot on his heels. Another popular driver in the Nelson's Auto Salvage number 97. That, of course, Dangerous Dave Koenig. Two-time truck champion Lou Maestri, the curiously creative Candles number 1 running 3rd. All the way back through the back of the field to 4th right now, Danny Grennan. Grennan is in the Gulfway Marine. To the finish here. Green flag flies back underway. Good jump from Mike Alvasini, as he very quickly opens up about a 3-truck length lead over Dangerous Dave Koenig, who's second. Third position, Lou Maestri, 4th, Danny Grennan. 5th is Gil Sweat. Now Danny Grennan all over the rear tailgate of Lou Maestri. 2 laps remain, and Mike Alvasini collects his second victory in the season. Here's the beginning of Riverhead Raceway. Mike Alvasini still about 2 short before the best. Dangerous Dave Koenig, white flag flies. Alvasini the race leader. Dangerous Dave Koenig second, man. Danny Grennan all over the rear tailgate of Maestri, but the checker flag flies on the front end. Second finish.
Yeah!
Right now, finishing second was Dangerous Dave Koenig. Third was Danny Grennan. Danny Grennan